In today's video, we are back again with another $500 no deposit bonus, guys. So as you can see here for yourself, I just claimed what my $500 no deposit bonus, and without taking much of your time, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about this very bonus, guys. I'll be showing you guys how to claim this bonus. I'll be showing you guys the terms and conditions, the brokers that offers this bonus, and also the necessary information, guys. So stick with me to the very end of this video as I'll be walking you step by step guide on how everything really works. So at the end of this video, you decide if you go and claim your own bonus or ignore the bonus, guys. So if you are new to this channel, hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to GiveBedFX. This is a channel upload first educational videos, and also we upload free ways on how you can get your startup capital in order to do what to scale up in your forex journey, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever an awesome video likes you drop, guys. And without taking much of your time, I know so many of you guys are eager to claim your own bonus and maybe start trading ASAP, but stick with me, just spend some time with me so I walk you and you know how everything really works here, guys. So if you can see here, this bonus, you have a leverage of 1:100 here, and also the bonus amount is $500, and you can see my name here, Gilbert Forex, and here is my account number. You get the concept. So here my address, Nigeria, you get. So this bonus is available for nearly worldwide. You get this bonus available worldwide. So for you to do what, for you to get the link of this very bonus and claim your own bonus, you just have to click the show button down below, join our Telegram channel. I'll be dropping the link of this very bonus there. Once you use the link, it will take you to where you just have to sign up, and once you sign up, it will take you to a page where it will provide your login details, guys, where you get your account number and also your password. Take your login details, go to your MetaTrader. So once you go to your MetaTrader, you just have to do what, to come back here where it says show server. Once you click on where it says show server, you can see the server here where you just have to search for this very server on MetaTrader 4. And once you search for this server, put in your trading account password and your trading account number, and boom, you are good to go. So right now, this is a live account, this is not a demo account, but let's move on into the terms and condition aspect, guys. So I do really care about you guys. You get the concept. Like when I claim this bonus, I quickly email them asking them what is the terms and condition of this very startup bonus. So let me take you guys to the very email. Alright, guys, so here we are on my email. As you can see, bunch of messages right here on my email. So when I signed up, after successful signed up, I was very careful enough to do what, to ask them. You get to ask them this question here. I say, hello, my trading account is, I wish to know the terms and condition of the $500 trading capital. Now for those of you who are very desperate about something like this, okay, let's say you claim your bonus, you get logged into your account, then for instance you make good profit after trading, you get the concept, and now you are trying to withdraw your profit, then they start showing you something you never expected or something that wasn't stated on their website. You will feel very heartbroken. After I send them this message, you get to know the terms and conditions, they sent me this long note you are seeing here. You get the concept, this long note, which I'll advise you to go through it yourself, guys. Which I'll advise you to go through it yourself. And maybe a quick summary of the whole thing is that once you get to this $500 bonus, and you have traded for 7 days, they will just change. After trading for 7 days, they will change it to a demo account. Now for you to still access this account, you need to do what, you need to deposit a particular amount. Now according to them, their minimum deposit is $1, but they will advise you, they will advise you to deposit $50. So if you look here right down, let's check something right here. They say the minimum deposit is $1, but the appropriate deposit amount is $50. For the $500 startup bonus, according to the startup bonus agreement. Then your capital will turn into a real account. Then you will get 100% startup bonus for deposit. Once you deposit real money in your account, then your $500 startup bonus and profit will be cancelled in the account. Like your $500, including the profit you make, will be cancelled. You get the concept. Are you seeing all these red flags? In your account, the real money and startup bonus, which is 100% amount for the deposit, will remain only. Now let's say the money you deposit, they will double it. According to them, they are giving you the 100% deposit bonus, in which if you deposit $1, you'll be getting $2. You get, so they will double it, and after you double it, you only have what? Let's say you deposit $1, you only have $2 on your account. So your $500 and your profit will no longer be there. You get. So to withdraw the bonus, you need to complete the required lots and agreement properly. You get. Imagine these people. Now let's scroll down a little bit. For example, they say if you deposit $1 after 7 days, then your total account balance will be $2. You get, regarding what I told you guys previously about the 100% deposit bonus. You get the concept. Now they say what your trading balance will be what? $2. You get $1 your own money and $1 startup bonus, which is what, the 100% bonus. Then the previous $50 startup bonus and all the other profit bonus will be cancelled, and your account will turn into a real account. These guys are very bold enough to tell you that your profit, your hard-earned profit, will be cancelled. You get, these people are very heartless. They are very, very heartless. You understand? So let's proceed. So they say it will be cancelled and your account will turn into a real account. Then you need to start straight again with $2. You get. Now, in order to withdraw $1 out of this $2, or in order to withdraw $1 from any profit you make, you need to complete 3 lots. These guys are very funny. You need to complete 3 lots. You can withdraw extra profit which you will make by using $2. Let's say using the $2, you traded the $2 and you make a profit of, let's say, $1, and you want to withdraw your $1. And for you to withdraw $1, you're expected to trade 3 standard lot. You get. And now if you are trading 3 standard lot, you get, you know that one standard lot you get $10 per pip. And since you are targeting 3 standard lot, you're expecting to make what? To make $30 per pip, which is nearly impossible on a $2 account. You get the concept. Now let's proceed. Let's look at the bigger side of things. Now, according to them here, they say if you deposit $50 after 7 days, when your total account balance will be $100, that means your $50 plus your 100% deposit bonus. You get. Then the previous $500 startup bonus and all the other profit bonus will be cancelled, and your account will turn into a real account. Then you need to start trade again with $100. Now, in order to withdraw $50 out of this $100, you need to complete a lot size of 150. Guys, these guys are very funny. You get. So I advise you to go through this thing yourself. Like, I'm just using it now to catch fun. You can withdraw extra profit which you will make by using $100. Now, guys, let's check out this thing. Let's be realistic here and check what we are doing. In order for you to withdraw $50, you need to trade 150 lots. Now, we all know that one lot size will give you what? $10 per pip. You get. And they're expecting us to do what? To trade 150 lots. How is this realistic on a $100 account? You get. And after that, like, I was just pissed off. You get. I was just pissed off, and I decided to send them this message. You get. I decided to send them this message. This message you are seeing here. Let me go through my own message. I say, kindly stop deceiving people. You get. This is a fraudulent act because it doesn't look realistic, and you don't care about the welfare of traders. Your aim is to get them deposit because you know 90% will lose it. Upon that, you are still setting useless rules. Imagine telling someone to trade 150 lots to withdraw $50. Then who will take the remaining profit? Like, since then, these guys haven't replied my message back. So thank you very much if you made it up to this very video. I hope this video was very helpful. If you like sort of this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon, and I'll catch you up in our subsequent video.